Welcome back to the great unboxing today. And today we're looking at a boxed iBook G4 that I bought off of eBay for pretty cheap. Like, I don't know, 75 bucks. That's pretty good for one that came with the box. This bad boy is a 2005 model, so it's one of the last iBooks that they made. It's pretty cool, actually. Here's me unboxing it, taking off the rest of the wrapping paper. I mean bubble wrap, you know what I mean. Look at those specs. 1.33 gigahertz Power PCI J4 processor. 1.5 megabytes of RAM. Hulk. Here's me unboxing and opening it up. It got in the way of my other boxes because I have too many boxes nowadays. Here's me cleaning up the aftermath of the packing peanut situation that you saw earlier. And then I put this Mac on my desk. I noticed these feet. The person put like little I don't know, like furniture movers in the bottom of them, so like it could, I don't know, not get scratched in the bottom, which is a pretty good idea. I took out the battery, as you can see here, and because it was dead, and I didn't really want to charge it because I wanted to get this video done. So then I found another iBook battery that I had laying around from my one that didn't work. And I put that in there, and it worked fine. Here's me replacing it now. Here's me being special, putting the battery in. And look at that, after years and years and decades, millenniums, centuries, even renaissances of hard work, got me to reinstall the battery. And look at that. This bad boy turns on perfectly fine once I show it. Look at this. I love the little click the button. I'm glad they don't have it on new Macs, but it's kind of cool since it's there. And this thing has like the little plastic seal on the DVD eject tool or button, whatever you call it. It's like it's barely used. Like it's still like in pristine condition, which is pretty nice. And look at my iPod 4th Gen charging in the background. Then we gotta clean the screen with what it came with. The screen protector that it shipped with back in 2005. Look at that, perfect. It's booting up. It has the original hard drive in it, which works fine. It doesn't sound too crazy and or like bad. So I'm kind of glad I don't have to disassemble another one of these things. I had to disassemble 3 of them to get one working one, which is a pain in my behind. So I keep this very, very family friendly. Your computer's date is set to a date before sometime in 2001. Look at that. So all works fine. About this Mac. 1.33 gigahertz Power PCI J4, 512 megabytes built-in RAM. It's on macOS 10.4, as you can see. It's pretty cool. I haven't actually used 10.4 before. This is my first time ever using it on a computer. I used 10.3 before, and there we go. System preferences. Ooh. The mouse was really slow, so I had to go change it real quick because I could not stand when the trackpad's like really slow. See a trackpad, you gotta move that all the way there. You gotta move it like almost fully there, so you actually get a feel for the Mac. I don't know. Make stuff up as it go. That's iDVD, iMovie, iPhotos, iTunes. There's no music on it or anything from the past owner, which is pretty sad. I wish it had the owner's past stuff on it. Not that I steal personal information. It's just I like seeing what they had on the Mac before. It was kind of like a little time capsule. That sticker annoyed me, so I peeled it off. I probably shouldn't have, to be honest. But it was annoying. And yeah. Hold eject. Computer's date and time set. It's not set correctly. I don't care. It also has GarageBand on it. Looks like it has Firefox on it too in the bottom. It took a while for the buttons to like work because the hard drive was probably has been turned on like 2 or 3 years. Look at that. Yeah, these things are pretty cool because like the last PowerPC Macs, I don't know, like before the MacBooks, these iBooks is pretty cool. And the year after this is you have the 2006 classic Mac, and look at that. It's doing processing power because that's, I don't know, that's what it does. And it froze up just like any old good Mac. And there you go. So this has been my unboxing of the iBook G4 today. So yeah, thank you for watching today's video. Stay tuned for the next one where I don't even know what I'm going to do yet.